Administrators of Nyanchwa Mission Hospital. Thank you, members of the press, for coming. We are here to clarify to the public that Nyanchwa Mission Hospital was not closed. What happened is that we received the letter from SHA officers headquarters in Nairobi that the SHA portal will be closed, and surely it was closed for a number of days. So with that, we had to honor that, and all our clients who are coming here and using SHA, they cannot benefit from our facility. But other insurances, all the other insurances as a facility, we are using them. And even cash patients who are just coming, they are with us here, we are handling them. The facility is running as usual, only that the SHA portal is closed. We are not now accepting those who are coming to benefit from SHA. But other services are going as usual. Other insurances that we accept in our hospital are just running. So members of the public, visit Nyanchwa, come for the services. The services are on, only that those who are beneficiaries of SHA may not benefit. But again, part of the management is working on this, and immediately we get out of this, we will just let you know. Thank you. Michira, igondo yomo bwabara ibenya gitari to ya Nyanchwa Mission Hospital. Igo twanyora diru bari koru Nairobi as a headquarters. Igo tebanga bari bonse bagotumia SHA, that the services tigo tumeka as a SHA as a nyagitari to ya Nyanchwa. Jikore meremo asamatukari batebete. Bakiri rende bari bagotumia chini insurance chinde, abandi bagotwa chini insurance chinde chetanti SHA, nkonyora bari huduma ase nyagitari yaito. Bari mogo che nyagitari ntu nyagitari te siekiri egento ke siekire ne insurance yekoro ku SHA nero yoke siekire, lakini abandi bonse nkonyora bari services no bari chi ward, bari bagocha outpatient nkonyora bari those services. So nto twarabwoba nende abandi babarayi baito bagendete ko goshiriki aso gukora umuchando osha ande twegendere nga nkorora so bwangu. Asanteni sana.